Hi kids, my name is Ritika. I am from Mapleview Delta 3 and as you all know we are doing phonic sounds right now. So for today we will be doing 5 more phonic sounds, that is P, Q, R, S and T. Yes, we are going to do this phonic sound. So starting with alphabet P. So the story behind alphabet P is a parrot was flying in the sky. Yes, a parrot was flying in the sky and he was very hungry. He was feeling very hungry. Now he could not find any of the food. So he went on to the jungle and he found only one pineapple tree. Yes, and the pineapple tree was sleeping on his pillow. Yes, he was sleeping. Now he didn't wanted to wake him up, but as he was very hungry, so he woke him up and said, pineapple tree, will you give me only one pineapple to eat as I am very hungry? So pineapple tree did not wake. Yes, he did not wake up. Now what happened? Parrot again said, pineapple tree, will you please give me one pineapple to eat because I am very hungry. Now pineapple tree got angry and he woke up. Who is disturbing me? Who is doing that? Puh, puh, puh. Yes, so who is doing that? Puh, puh, pineapple. I will not give you any pineapple, so just go away from here. What happened? Parrot sadly went from there. Now, how did pineapple tree do when he was angry? Puh, puh, puh. Yes, so the phonic sound of alphabet P is puh, puh, puh. So, P for pineapple, P for pillow, P for pencil, P for parrot, P for pen. Yes. So, moving forward to the next alphabet, that is alphabet Q. Yes, alphabet Q. Now the story behind alphabet Q is, in a library, yes, library is where many books are there. Yes, in a library, a girl named Quadzia was studying. Yes, a girl named Quadzia was studying as her exams were near. Now what happened? There were many questions she used to solve, but today what happened? She could not solve any of the question. So she thought, why don't I ask to my friends there? Now when she went there and asked her friends, the librarian said, be quiet as this is library and nobody talks here. Now Quadzia went back to her place and started doing the questions again. She solved quarter questions. Yes, quarter is 1/4 of the question that was there in the copy. Now she went away then and sadly said, qua, qua, qua. Yes, so the phonic sound for Q is qua, qua, qua. So Q for question, Q for quiet, Q for water, Q for queen. Yes. So we are done with alphabet P and Q. Now moving forward to the next alphabet, that is alphabet R. Yes, alphabet R. Now a girl, she was playing outside her house when suddenly started raining. Yes, started raining and she could not play and she went back to home. Now, what happened? Her father was listening to news. Yes, he was listening to news and the girl also sat with her father and said, Father, what are you watching in the news? So father said, See there, a rocket. Yes, a rocket is going in the space. Yes, sit on the rug and see the news and be quiet and don't disturb anyone. So when mother came, mother said, what happened? What are you listening so carefully? So she said, Mother, a rocket is going to the space. Yes, you also sit on the rug and we'll watch the news together. Father angrily said, I told you not to talk. Yes, r, r, r. Yes, the phonic sound of R is r, r, r. So R for rain, R for rocket. R for rug. Yes. So, moving forward to the next alphabet, that is alphabet S. It was a very fine sunny day. Yes, it was a very fine sunny day. The sun was very much bright and shining. What happened? Pirate was working on a ship. Yes, a pirate was working on a ship and he was sailing in the ocean. Yes, now what happened? He wanted to have some strawberries. Yes, he wanted to have some strawberries. So he told his colleague that please bring me some strawberries because I want to eat strawberries. So he went inside, he brought out some strawberries, but what happened? The strawberries were ripe. It all got destroyed. And the pirate screamingly said, "Psst, psst, psst, I want to eat strawberry. Bring me strawberries." Yes, you got it right. So, the phonic sound of alphabet S is S. So, S for sun, S for ship, S for strawberries. Yes. Now, moving forward to the next alphabet, and the last alphabet of the day is T. In a garden where there were so many trees, a boy lived there. Yes, under a tree, he used to live there with tent. Yes, he used to live in a tent and he used to have a table where he used to eat food. Yes, suddenly what happened? A lion came. Yes, a lion came and he said, "I want to eat you." The boy said, "No, this is my place. This is my tree. I am living here. Don't eat me as I am good. I'm good one. Don't eat me." So what happened? Lion said, "Why should I not eat you?" Boy said, "Because I am kind, I help others, I bring food. I will bring food and I will give it to you also." So the lion said, "Okay, fine. If you are saying that, I will say, okay, you are correct, but don't ever trouble anyone here because I am the king of the jungle." Yes, because lion is the king of the jungle. He doesn't want anyone to get disturbed. So what happened? The boy said, "Tuh, tuh, tuh." Truly said, "I will not disturb anyone." Yes, you got it right. So the phonic sound of T is tuh, tuh, tuh. Now T for tree, T for tent, T for table. Yes. So we are done for the today. So I hope you like this video and please keep practicing phonic sounds. I will see you in the next video, in the coming up video. Okay, till then, bye and take care. Don't go outside and don't trouble your parents. Bye. I will see you in the next video.